Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button for any kind of audio. Make sure to subscribe to because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch coin token with the Tether US dollar Tether token. So 1 inch right now is sitting at price of around $2.75. Today we are down not even 1 cent, but yeah, this is resulting at 0.0018, or we're kind of flat, or 0.05% of the downside. So I don't think that today that we are gonna be having a bearish day. I think that we'll be having some kind of a bullish day, but I cannot say that this is kind of a head and shoulders move or pattern today. Bullish day overall, because like we will see how this candle will be closing. If it closes like a bullish day, we'll be hitting these targets right here, 3.84 or something. I will be deleting this, because for the long term my prediction is always the all-time high somewhere around July, then at start of the August. But yeah, overall right now is a great time, like perfect time to buy for those who are not invested in 1 inch. And I'm not here to tell you and force you to buy it. I'm just sharing you my opinion and my prediction. So yeah, I think that this will be the thing that it will be going on with it. And if we break to this level right here, we'll be gonna start pushing to the upside phase. And yeah guys, this is basically it for today's video about 1 inch. Let me know what are your thoughts about it, because I think that 1 inch is right now just retesting the retest area. And then if Bitcoin starts pushing up, this 1 inch will be pushing like to the all-time highs, and I just hope that it happens. And guys, if you want to support my channel, just make sure to smash the like button. It means a lot to me. And like, if you want to support my channel even more, click the first link to the description. And yeah, peace out, love y'all.